वेलकम टू जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास। जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास में आप लोगों को स्वागत है। सो हाउ आर यू चिल्ड्रन? फाइन, आई एम आल्सो फाइन। सो व्हाट हैव टू टेल एट फर्स्ट? मैं जो सिखाने जा रही हूँ वीडियो, प्लीज लाइक माय वीडियो, शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्लीज कमेंट मी थ्रू योर कमेंट बॉक्स कि मुझे तो पता तो चले आप लोग को क्या प्रॉब्लम है। तो ऐसी तरह से मैं सिखा दूंगी कि आप लोग अच्छी तरह से सीख सकें। सो टुडेज क्लास इज द क्लास फॉर every children because I'll teach you how first you can solve the square of any two-digit number. Okay, I'll teach you the square of two-digit numbers. So चले class start करते हैं. Okay, let's think. That is 15 square. So 15 square is 15 multiplied by 15. You have to do. So what you will write first? 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. And this one you do 1 plus 1. You will just add 1 to this number. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So that is 2 here. So 15 square equals to 225. Then 25 square. So 25 multiplied by 25 you have to do. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Now 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Easy now process. Then you will write 35 square. So 35 square is 35 multiplied by 35. Okay. Then 5 multiplied by 5, 25. And 3 plus 1. Add 3 to this, add 1 to this number. That is 3 plus 1 equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 12. So 35 square is 1225. You can do it in the any number, 45, 55, 65, 75 up to 95. Okay, let's think about 95 square. So 95 multiplied by 95. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Then 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10 multiplied by 9 is 90. So here is 9025. That is 95 square is 9025. Not easy? Very easy, you know. In the time of exam, this will be very helpful for you to find out the square number. Okay. So then, now what I will teach you? I will teach you the square of the numbers of near 50. Okay. So let's see. क्या किया जाए? So you think the number is 53. So 53 square. So 53 square. At first you will write the half of 50. So half of 50 is 25. Now 53 is 3 more than 50. So 53 is 3 more than 50. First, what you have to write? That is 3 square. 3 square is 9. But you have to write in two-digit number. That is 09. Okay. Next, what to do? Now, 25, 50, 53 is 3 more than 50. So 25 plus 3. So 28. So here is the number 2809. 53 square is 2809. Again you will take 54. Okay, 54. 54 square. That is 25 first you take. So 25. 54. 54 is 4 more than 50. So you have to take out 4 square. 4 square is 16. You have to write 2 digits. And here is 4 is 54 is 4 more than 50. So plus 4. So 29. 29 you have to write. Okay. This is the square of the numbers which are more than 50. And there is another criteria for less than 50. So less than 50 is here. You think, let's think 47 square. So here is also 2. That is 7 square. 7 square is 49. And here you will write 25. 49 is 1 less than, 47 is 3 less than 50. So here is minus 3. If the number is more than 50, that is plus. And if number is less than 50, that is minus. So here is minus. So 22. So here is the number 47 square is 2249. Okay. Let's think about 44 square. Okay. So 44 square. So here is 2. And here you have to write 25. 4 square is 16 and 44 is 6 less than 50. So here is this minus also, 6 less than. So 19. So it is 1916. Understood? That's very easy trick, you know. Then this is a third process I will teach you. That is, here are the numbers less than or more than 50. But if the number is 74, so 74 square, then you have to take it in 3 steps. First, you have to write that is 4 square, that is 16. Okay, that is here is 7 square, it is 4 square. First, 4 square, that is 16. Here is 7 square, that is 49. Then what you will write in the middle, that is here is 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2. 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2. This is 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2. 7 4 is 28. 28 to 56. So here you will write 56. It is the square number of 74. No, children. We have to do, that is, now you will write here, this is the number. Now you will write here 6. Then you have to add 1 plus 6. It is the number, it's the number. 1 plus 6, 7. Now you will write 9 plus 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14, so 1 carry. Then it is 5. So what you have to do? That is first, you will write 4 square, that is 16. 7 square, that is 49. And in the middle, what you will write? 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2. That is 7 4 is 28, 28 to the 56 you will write. So first one you will write 6. This is the square number of 74. That is 6. And then 1 plus 6, that is 7. 5 plus 9, 14. So you will not write 14. You will write 4 and 1 carry. So 4 plus 1, 5. That is 74 square is 5, 4, 7, 6. Again I will teach you another sum. Okay. Then what to do? That is 83 square. So what you will write? What you have to write? That is. So 3 square is 09. Always write in 2 digits. Okay. So 09. And 8 square is 64. In the middle what you will write? 8 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So 8 multiplied by 3, 24. 24 multiplied by 2, 48. So you will write here 48. Now what you have to do? Easy steps, no? I'll teach you again. So what you have to do? You will write, that is 9. Okay. Now 0 plus 8, that is 8. 4 plus 4, that is 8. 8. So here is 6. You will write 6. So 83 square, that is square of 83, 6, 8, 4, 8, 9. Okay. I'll teach you another. And what I taught you about 75 square, 55 square, 95 square, 85 square. That is in your memory? No. Okay. I'll teach you. 85 square. So what you have to write? 85 multiplied by 85. First 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. You have to write. And then you have to add 1 to 8. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 8s are 72. So 7225. Okay. So I'll teach you this type of sum again. If you can learn this type of tips, then you can write it so fast. So it is a time saver. Let's then 60. Sorry. Okay. 87 square. So here is 87 square. So first one, what you will write? 3 steps. Then 7 square is 49. 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64. And in between what you have to write? 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. 7 is 56. 56 2 is 112. Okay? 2. Then now you think that is here are 3 digits. So that's thing that is here you will write 9. Okay. Now 4 plus 2 6. So 11 here. 11 plus 4 15. 15 that is 5. 1 carried. 6 plus 1 7. Okay. So what to do? 9. 9 is 9. 4 plus 2 6. Then you will take total 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 is 5. 1 carried. So 6 plus 1 7. So square of 87 is 7569. Okay. Now I'll teach you the last one. That is that is 94 square. 94 square. So what you have to do? 4 square is 16. 9 square is 81. And here 9 multiplied by 4. 9 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2. 9 4 is 36. 36 2 is 72. So here you will write 72. So what to do? Please like my video and share to your friends. Subscribe my channel and comment me through your comment box. Repeatedly I am telling you. No, every day I tell you. Okay. So now here you will write 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 7 plus 1, 8. And here is 8. So square of 94 is 8836. So this is a very easy trick, no? अच्छा लगा है क्या नहीं? अच्छा लगा है? मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो आप लोग भी कोशिश करके देखिए घर में. ठीक है, चले मैम जो बोले हम लोग देखते हैं करके सही है या नहीं. अगर सही नहीं है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में प्लीज कमेंट कीजिए. ओके, तो मैं सॉरी कह दूंगी अगर मैं रॉन्ग हूँ तो. ठीक है, तो आज के लिए ये क्लास काफी है. नेक्स्ट क्लास में आई विल टीच यू द चैप्टर ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री ऑफ क्लास 9. So children of class 9, you will just attend the class. Okay, so please like my video, share to your friends, comment me through your comment box and please subscribe my channel. ठीक है, कि मैं आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह से सिखा सकूं. मुझे इतना भी बोर नहीं लग रहा है ना. तो चलिए, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग को फिर मुलाकात होंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.